Welcome, friends. My name is Lidija, and I come from beautiful Slovenia. Today, I'm so happy to share with you one of my favorite homemade gluten-free recipes, a 48-hour fermented gluten-free bread that's soft inside, crispy on the outside, and full of natural flavor. Add 300 milliliters of water a mixing bowl, and stir 2 teaspoons in Indian tropotec psyllium husk to create a gel-like texture. Add 300 grams gluten-free flour and 7 grams yeast. I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments how your bread turned out. Did you add any special toppings or seeds? If you need help, I'm always happy to answer your questions. Pour in 100 milliliters of olive oil and add 1 teaspoon of sugar for light sweetness and perfect yeast activation. Mix everything well. You can use a mixer if you prefer. Mix for about 2 minutes until the dough is nice and smooth. Surprise someone with good bread. Thank you for watching. I truly appreciate every like, comment, and subscriber. Add salt last and mix again. The dough will be thick. That's exactly how it should be. The dough is very thick, as it should be. Coat your bowl with olive oil to prevent sticking. Place the dough inside, coat the top lightly with more olive oil, cover it, and store it in the refrigerator for 48 hours. Use only as much dough as you need, keeping the rest chilled for later baking. The dough is ready after 48 hours. Shape the dough with wet hands or water directly on baking paper. It's quite simple. Just water and I shape. Just like this. And design. It's simple. Place it in a baking dish along with the baking paper. Add your favorite seeds or grains on top for crunch and flavor. Let it rest at room temperature for 1 hour. Bake covered at 200 degrees 39 to Fahrenheit for 1 hour until golden and crispy. 100% gluten-free and additive-free. Naturally fermented for 48 hours for a rich, deep deep flavor. Healthy and easy to digest. Homemade with love and simple ingredients. Look how beautiful the crispy crust is. Perfect for breakfast, sandwiches, or as a side with soups and salads. Keeps fresh for days in the refrigerator. Thank you for being here, wishing you health, happiness, and delicious food every day.